and that's my mentor that I receive a video from her every day. Yes, every day. Or someone that barely make $20,000-$30,000 a year and teaching you how to make money online. They teaching you how to go work for someone. I'm gonna say that again. The 40 years, 40 hours a week, 40 years of your life, and you get 40% from the income of your retirement that you live off of. There's something to think about. It's time to wake up and start making decisions that will benefit you and the future and your family, so you can get your time back, so you don't have to worry about missing out on family events, or how you're going to pay your bills, or how you want to go for a trip but you don't have the fund for it. You need to work, you need to ask permission from your boss to take a day off.